Okay, 2017 Lincoln MKX glove box door is giving me problems, and as one of the guys said, that there are not many people that do any YouTube videos or work on their own Lincoln. So here goes. I'm gonna try to press the button and I hear something, but it's not popping. So I don't have any professional video equipment, so I'm going to hold stuff best I can and see if I can get this to come out. I don't think this is the right way, but I'm going to show you what I got happening here. I'm going to attempt to show you what I got happening here. Okay, that didn't look like it was the right way. So I got this little panel down here on the side that I pried it out. And that comes off. And okay, I'm going to show you what's going on here. You see that button tried to move when I pushed it. And there she opened it. So it pulls, but it doesn't pull very far. And I took everything out of the glove box. Some of the stuff I read said if the glove box is too full, that won't work. Well, the box is empty. So do that and pull down, nothing happens. So it's this. I'll have to push this one in again, get it to open. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna be taking it apart and replacing that. I had a similar problem with my solenoid on my Ford F-150. It just doesn't have the strength anymore. So I'm gonna be looking for a replacement part and replacing that piece. Here's how you get to the piece when you open this. You gotta release this. Yeah, that is a spring-loaded cable. So what I did was I closed this some, and I got my screwdriver in there and pulled down on that and just worked it around that clip holding it. See there? I pushed it back and then I undid it, and that comes loose and that just falls up in there. Now I can take this apart and put a new one in there. So I got this new tool here lately, and it's supposed to make taking these connectors off really easy. This piece was connected, clipped on to right here, and I took that off. So, trying to use this tool. Nothing to hold this up, and there it came out. Alright, I'm going to take this piece off and inspect it. And that's it. So I plugged this back in just to see what kind of travel I get on this. It's not much. See how it just
decreases even after I push the button. But if I actuate it with my hand, see, I can get all kinds of travel running all the way back there. So that's just not pulling. And then comparably, this piece on the side, that's all it's doing. But if I move it by hand, see, it fully retracts. Alright, so I think I found a problem. Okay, I just did a search for this part, and I may end up at LKQ, but they say it's considered part of the whole glove box assembly. Imagine that's pretty pricey. There's a glove box part number, if you feel like doing that, I guess. I'm going to take this one off and take it apart. See if I can find something and clean it up. See if I can get it working better. Let's see if I can set this up and show you how to take this piece off. I can't do it with one hand. Okay, I got in there with my pliers and bent this up like that to get it out of the little hole there. And it's like this piece here just snap off, or use my pliers. So I just held on to it with my pliers and it just twisted this and it came out.